Welcome to Cybersecurity, an Australian security company for Australian business. Did you know that over 60% of cyber attacks in Australia now target small to medium businesses? And most of them don't even realize they've been breached until it's too late. Today, I am breaking down the top 5 cyber threats that are hitting Aussie businesses hard in 2025 and, more importantly, steps to take to stop them. 1. Business email compromise. Fact: this one's booming in Australia. Hackers spoof your email, trick your staff, and redirect invoice payments to their accounts. $81 million in losses reported to the ACS last year. Tip: implement a mark, SPF, and to FA on all business email accounts. 2. Ransomware as a Service. Yes, cybercrime has a business model. Anyone with $50 can now launch ransomware. Targets: medical clinics, law firms, construction companies. Tip: regular offline backups plus network segmentation. 3. Insider threats. Intentional or negligent. It's not always hackers, it could be Karen from accounts with a weak password. Tip: use role-based access, log monitoring, and regular user awareness training. 4. Insecure cloud misconfigurations. With so many moving to Microsoft 365 and AWS, misconfigured permissions are a huge risk. Tip: regular audits, MFA everywhere, and hardening default configs. 5. AI-powered phishing attacks. AI can now write better phishing emails than humans, and they're highly personalized. Tip: train staff to recognize modern phishing and use secure email gateways. These threats aren't going away, but with the right steps, they're 100% manageable. Also, if you are serious about protecting your company and want professional support, whether it's a penetration test or setting up security policies, book a free 30-minute strategy by visiting the website cybersecurity.com, and don't forget to hit subscribe. We cover real breaches, demos, and simple fixes to stay one step ahead.